Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This video is going to be special because this is the second version of the YS3M Huameng 2023, I guess. Since this is a signature cube, I'm gonna make it a surprise. It's gonna be in the box because there's a WR holder or world record holder. God, I'm kind of bubbling with my voice. Chengdu, the former world record holder, because Max Part is, I think last month ago. World record is new right now. I think it was 3.13, I guess. After 5 years, it was been broken by a American cuber, but a South Korean immigrant, considered now an American citizen. Yes, yeah, I've said before, he's an immigrant from South Korea. His name is Max Park, the current world record holder for the 3x3. And the cube he used by that time was the X-Mon Tornado V3 flagship version. And let's take this. I think, oh no, that's not last month. It was June, I remember now. I think it happened after my competition that was occurred on, I don't know, June 11, I guess. Oh, I like that song. Oh my god, I think I destroyed the box. Oh no. I hope it not. Please not. Okay. I think it's not destroyed. Yes, we got some free stickers from MnM Cube Shop. Thank you, Xavier De Vera. This is grateful. This is very grateful for me. I didn't even give him the intense box, but you know. Hey, the moment I've been waiting for my whole life. But it's kinda different though. The actual plan was really, guys, I really want to buy actually all of them. Yeah, that was the original plan, but I'm gonna, oh my god, look at that, Chengdu. I'm kinda impatient right now, and I really want the Huameng right now. I'm to be able to use some different MoYu cubes, not just the WRM. Yeah. Okay, please. Okay, the box is similar to the. What cube is that? I think it's the WRM. Wait lang. V9, I think. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, they have some similar boxes. No, they're not literally similar. They're literally the same because of the box. Just look at that, man. They do not even differ with the box. They're both transparent, as you can see. really wonder who owns the MnM Cube shop right now. This Saber is kinda managing that shop right now. I don't really know who's the real owner. Who knows? Maybe I'll ask him later. No confusions. Okay, let's check the cube. Okay, I'm having a difficulty with the opening. Oh no. This box is looking deluxe. Look at that card. Oh my god. Okay. Let's untape the cube. Okay, let's do first turns. I hope I won't get upset by turning this. Okay, it feels like Maylong with a bit of YS3M MagLev 2021. Let's do first turns. Okay, I kinda like the sound. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm starting to like this dude. I think I'm going to have a PR if I'm going to use this to my upcoming comp on August 28th. Because my current PB right now, PR, personal record, was 8.76 seconds, and that was kind of weird. That happened way back June, no, May 28th, I think. Yeah, it was May 28th, and I didn't have a reaction, because I was having lack of sleep by that day, and my consciousness are really dead. My consciousness is dead by that time. Okay. Okay, let's do an example. So it's kind of obvious that my grammar was trying to get wrong a while ago, and I don't care. I'm starting to feel like this cube needs some lube because it's kind of unstable. Oh my god, my TPS is on fire right now. Let me compare this cube to this X1 Tornado. Wait. Hear this sound, guys. Try to hear this. It's quiet, right? Now I'm kind of planning to buy the Dying Canyon right now because they say that's the quietest cube out of all the cubes. It's been released, and I think I'm interested by that. Yeah. Now you know what's the next cube that I'm going to unbox. And let's do some solves anyways. Okay. Without lube. Okay. 12:45. Okay, I think I need some lube. I'm not gonna last with this learning speed because it's not good. It's kind of a nuisance with my learning style. I need some controllability. Okay, I ran out of lube. I think I need to buy any more. Okay, let's use this G lube. Two, three drops on the other side too. 5, 6. Okay. I think it's more stable right now because of that tube. Okay. Let's plan some moves. So the adjustments are color, violet, or whatever you call it, purple, I don't know. I don't care. Okay. 11.3, not bad. Okay, that was nice. 10.26. Then 6, okay. I think we're going consistent right now. Let's get serious by now. Okay, another choke. This is not too good. It's not good, guys. Maybe because of the force kick a while ago. Okay, let's go serious mode. Serious mode right now. Okay. Okay, 989 for sub 10. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. I need some space. Okay. Let's do some actual swords. .96, going great. Nice. What a choke too. 447. Not good. I think we need to focus right now. Much more focus. It's not doing good. .91. Good. Okay, patek phone mode. Okay, 910. It's going great though. Okay, back stop as well. Left turn, okay. I think that's enough though. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe. Bye.